Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 1st, 2013. The U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I don't know what to say about today. I think today was a good day. The Dow actually rallied today. It seemed pretty strong all day, up 62 points. You got to understand this is the day following the closing of the government, which took place actually at midnight last night. You may think it's kind of weird that the market rallies after they close down the government, but that is so typical. There's the old saying, buy the rumor and sell the news, and that's exactly kind of what's going on here today. The news is now out, the bad news is out, the government's closed, and the market rallies. I've seen this pattern many, many times. I think we've hit the bottom. And I'll tell you something else happens, and this is just my weird prediction and everything else, but I saw a massive amount of buy orders coming in like the last 20-15 seconds of the day today. It was so fast, froze up my computer. And I think what is going on, somebody knows something. This is insider buying. This market could really explode tomorrow. And that's my prediction. I could be wrong. We'll see what happens. Anyway, it wasn't a terrible day for us. We actually closed out negative $1,800 on our closed out trades because we had that horrible trade in Velocity Chairs. It sucked us nearly for $4,000. So that's why we were negative on our closeout trades, and we only had 4 positions. So we really didn't have anything to offset that. But we got into some good new positions. We're holding positive $5,500 open trade equity going into tomorrow, and we don't really have any large losses. If this market takes off, we got a lot of positions. We'll make hay. So I'm pretty pleased with the way the market went today. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see the big slide, of course. But today, a little bit of strength came into the market, and what I really liked is this last bar here. This is a 15-minute bar, but most of that was put in the last minute of the day. And what I'm saying is somebody knows something. That's where all those buy orders were coming in right at the end of the day, and that predicts a very strong day for tomorrow. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm looking for. I think all the bad news is out. This market is now poised for a good upside move. We had a couple pretty decent trades today. I'll show you just a couple of them. I mean, nothing too spectacular, but still it's nice to see good trades for a change after some of the disappointments we've seen in the last few days. This is in SHLD, that's Sears Holding Corporation. This has been a pretty good market for us, and we bought this today. First hour of the day, it made a really spectacular rally up here. It did pull back, but we are holding over $1,700 in Sears Holding Corporation. And I'll show you another decent trade that we had. This is in Yelp. And Yelp has been a very good market for us too. And we bought Yelp right after the first hour of the day, and it just kept going. I think we're up over $3,000 in Yelp. So this looks like a real good trade too. And everything else looks pretty good too, even though we don't, it's some small trades that are just up a few $100s. But what I also like is the negative trades we're holding are only down a couple $100s. So we get a good move tomorrow, and that's when I got this feeling we're going to get. We could make quite a bit of money tomorrow. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.